Procrastination can reduce life satisfaction by up to 40%, and the average person spends 55 days in a year procrastinating. It's almost 2 months lost. A 2014 study in the University of Colorado Boulder actually reported that procrastination was a heritable trait and the one closely linked with impulsivity. There is an obvious assumption that the procrastination was clearly evolutionarily favored in our ancestors, considering that it was extremely effective for outcompeting in the rule of 4F. To fight, flight, feed, and reproduce. Unfortunately, it's not so much about preparing a quarterly feedback to your boss, but anyhow, they overlap with this evolution of towers. Herbert Sapolsky actually puts it quite beautifully. Our brain is like a temporal contradiction. We wire for an immediate reward, but we've also evolved the frontal cortex, responsible for long-term planning and emotional control. But anytime you procrastinate, this very part of the brain gets overruled by the limbic system. That's an older evolutionary advantage, and this part is responsible for discomfort, the feeling of fear and avoidance. So whenever you interact with some discomfortable task, your brain fires for avoidance. The amygdala just sets up in fire. And what's the easiest way to extinguish it? The erratic acid is dopamine. That's the reason you scroll, swipe, and avoid a task you plan for future. But you're not doing it because you're lazy, but because your brain are wired to avoid pain.